ka Bharti Airtel Foundation bat ka Shillong Science Center NEHU henen ka janmiet khat phra tarik leber kalayo ban Plie Paidbah Ïaka Astronomy Club haka School Grace Foundation Secondary School Lom Sopieng bat haka juk kapor na kalyang ka Bharti Airtel Foundation bat ka Shillong Science Center NEHU kalayo ru ban IT ka kor kmi met beneng teleskop syakate ka club knang baki khna pule ki badon hakite ki than kin yo ban pendon ka nag banta ban wat shushu ya ka jing start haka bayade bat ka hau yakate ka Astronomy Club lawan ban pelat Paidbah ka kong Isenrem BMC boy rembong kum ka kong san haka jing don lang urahul Chatterjee space science expert uba isen hin MDC umre constituency ba manbha khongla project coordinator Bharti Airtel Foundation kong Ultrasha Wadri administrator ka Grace Foundation Secondary School Lom Sopieng lambat kiwe kinong hikai ki kimi ki kpa bat ki khana school Hakani ka snipli ya ka Astronomy Club la sakhi bagi khana school ka Grace Foundation Secondary School Lom Sopieng lambat kiwe ki khana school na kishlam ajing hikai ka than bhairambong kila yo ban sakhi hi dalaki khmat ya ka met beneng ki badon haki hau hakaba kila yo ban pendon kam ya ka kor kmi met beneng lane ka teleskop bal ai da ka te ka foundation na kalyang ki he ka Bharti Airtel Foundation kila panpau bagani ka foundation menta kladap arkusan snem padai hakani ka jingat lenti jong ka foundation kala phai khmat daga bawanra yakani ka Astronomy Club hagate ka school bat ka deru ka baning kong hapo ka jilla Meghalaya bat kila panparu bagajing thmu hi jong ka foundation banwanra yakani ka club kalong bante ya ka mensiam jong ki khana school bandon ya ka jing thrang banwat jing start shapang ki met beneng bat kumju ru shapang ka science laya thuru baka foundation ka don ru ya ka jing thmu ban nang pen kha shushu ya kum kani ka club sasantli hakiwe pat ki school ki badon hathemri bhoi nagalyang ka school ka kong Warjri administrator ka Grace Foundation Secondary School klapan pau bakum kinong hikai ki dap shisha ka man CM ka bakamen ban yo ya ka club ka ban betin lenti ki khna school ban wat jing start shapang ki met beneng bat kani kan pensuk ya kinong hikai ban hikai ki khna shapang ki met beneng
oh yes
hey khmat phil hawli pha check te
Medina peding dan
pat pendai than re tu spai kham re jangai pernai apa phi shop page hai page jai khap bat khmat Shillong bon pin iyo
Can think about the last 35 years. This is all I've been doing. Traveling to different places across Meghalaya and talking to children like you, particularly on events, solar events, celestial events, let's say. Whenever there is let's say, a solar eclipse or a lunar eclipse, or recently when there was this alignment of the different planets. I'm there everywhere, trying to get young boys and girls excited about science, looking up at the sky and feeling the joy of this enormous thing. And why I love this so much is anyone who gets into astronomy and astrophysics has this humbling effect. Astronomy and astrophysics brings a very humbling effect on the person. The moment you realize how big everything is and how tiny you are, that ego just vanishes. And it's a very...
Stars, the satellites, the planets. Okay, now you have, what do you have now? An instrument which is called as the telescope. Right in your school. You can use it anytime during the night, I think, only during the night. So I don't know whether your parents will allow you to come during the night, but I guess if they know the benefits, the importance about what you're going to learn by just using this instrument in viewing all the celestial bodies. So planets and the moons you can see. Now before you read only in your textbook. But Now you can see in reality how do the planets look like. Okay? Before we used to say, twinkle, twinkle, little star. We sing that song when we were small. Ngishi ruai em teaching ruai? Ha, ngishi ruai. Bentar pedeng habangi ruai ru nginda apet igi dakate ke teleskop sha. Tisha lor beneng ngin kabio I bhag ngin kilong kumno taki klor.
Ini por ngai ngoi beli try kundat baru tingkat bat ni. Hakini ke sini. Bat kam tam ubala pelong ya kini ke kalon ke jengker khu nak bentar ke sekolah jengi. Bat ikui bat ke sekolah kemudian hang ni hajan kebahap aku bukan blok. Hakini ke por ngai kuat ban I beli ke education department. Kabala ailat ngas ngoba kala ailat yang ikina yang ikum kinong punya ke sekolah bangin shim ya kan ke kabu. Hak bangin la ban wanra ikum kini ki jing puli ki ba kambanya ba omde tang kena ki ban puli ba ki kod entre kena ruban saki de la jong ki kmat kanu kata ka jingdon jeng tak kimat beneng hati hapo sahid beneng te ngikirmen ba kene ka jing ailat jong education department ya ka Bharti Airtel Foundation ba kan wan hami hapo ka jela ka jongi kanlong ka jingkir khuna ka benta ka jela ka jongi hi borok kawai